Planning a move from Calgary to Vernon? It's a beautiful route into British Columbia, but mountain travel, changing weather, and delivery timing make good planning especially important. For a typical two-bedroom home, a Calgary to Vernon move may cost around $2,100 to $3,800 Canadian dollars. Your final estimate will depend on the shipment size, packing needs, access, and moving date. Your belongings will travel from Alberta into British Columbia through mountain highways. Construction, snow, heavy rain, and seasonal traffic can all influence the transportation schedule. Most deliveries on this route take around 1 to 3 days. Timing depends on the size of your load, driver hour regulations, road conditions, and whether you choose dedicated or shared transport. Some Vernon properties have narrow streets, sloped driveways, or limited space for a large moving truck. Share access details early so the crew can plan the right vehicle and equipment. Basic moving service covers loading, transportation, and unloading. Packing, furniture disassembly, storage, or handling heavy items can add convenience, but they should be clearly listed in your quote. Ask whether each estimate includes labor, mileage, fuel, protective materials, equipment, and delivery. A complete quote helps you compare actual value instead of simply choosing the lowest number. Moving from Calgary to Vernon? Visit 3movers.com to compare long-distance moving options, request a free estimate, and plan your British Columbia move with confidence.